Welcome Nutrition Navigators. Today we're diving deep into the juicy world of fruit-based fasting. This is your host, Abeo Jones. Are you tired of the same old diets and looking for a refreshing way to detoxify your body? Well, grab a mango, because here are 3 benefits of fruit-based fasting that will make your body thank you. Benefit number 1, fruits are nature's little powerhouses, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. By eating a variety of fruits during a fast, you're giving your body an all-access pass to these nutrient-rich goodies. Say goodbye to boring salads and hello to a colorful fruit feast that will make your taste buds dance. Benefit number 2, fruit-based fasting can give your digestion a much-needed vacation. Instead of loading up on heavy foods, you're filling your tank with light, easily digestible foods that won't weigh you down. Your digestive system will be singing a happy tune, and your energy levels will skyrocket. Benefit number 3, detoxification, baby. Dedicate a few days to a fruit-based fast. You're allowing your body to get rid of all the toxins that have been holding you back. Think of it as pressing the reset button and giving your organs a spa day. They deserve it. So, whether you're a seasoned health aficionado or just starting your wellness journey, fruit-based fasting might be the path to a healthier you. Remember, balance is key, so consult a nutritionist or doctor before embarking on any dietary changes. Now, it's time to subscribe for more nutritional goodness and hit that like button to show your love. Fruit-based fasting, a delicious way to nourish your body and revitalize your health. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off. Adios.